Ebi byagambwa erizoba aha mukoro ogwa Alani Kasuja okuza omu office aha Media Center omu Kampala aho arabe nakorera emirimo ye.
Tukimanyi omukuru Ofono Pondo yabadde yakulembera office eno ya Media Center kumala emyaka 13 ate yagenda okwesimbawo ku bwa MP ate omukuru Obed Kamugisha Katulebe yabadde akulira acting capacity amaze omwaka ate olwaleero twaniriza Alani Kasuja.
Kandi Minisita owa ICT Dr. Chris Baryomunsi niho yarangirira enteekateeka ez'okureba ngu nibija kukora aha bitongole by'amakuru ebiremire kugendera aha biragiro.
Kubanga tulina radios nga 320 ezirina license mu Uganda. Cabinet neleeta ekirowoozo nti tudemu tutunulemu mu maradio gaffe tulabe nti oba waliwo amaradio gatasobola okulwaninga bulungi oba kyetaagibwa tusobola kugakendeeza.
Yagira ngu Alani Kasuja ogu n'omunyamakuru otendekire kurungi okozirana n'ebitongole bitari bimwe na bimwe ari kugira ngu omurimo gwo gushemeriire ngu kandi government neija kumushagika.
Ni mukugu by'amawulire mukimanyi akolere wangi abadde akolera mu kitongole kya BBC kataleeta obukugu ate twagala kwebaza president obw'okumulonda n'amuwa ekifo kino okukikulembera. Ate ffe nga ministry eby'amawulire tujja kumuweereza support ne Media Center okulaba nti emirimu y'okwogera gavumenti egende mu maaso.
Dr. Chris Baryomunsi yagira ngu omu meeting ya cabinet eherurukire bashangire ngu hariho radio nyingi ezitari kwasa kushashura abakozi baabo.
Twa expandinga nnyo ng'amaradio okusanga nti waliwo radios ezimu gye twaweereza license naye tezisobola okukola omulimu omutuufu. Nti waliwo bannannyini maradio tebasobola n'okusasula abakozi.
Yayongera yagira ngu kuremwa kushashura abanyamakuru nicyo kireetiire emize etari mirungi aho bamwe bagucwire omuze ogw'okuguma nibashaba abantu sente okwenda kubakoraho amakuru.
Waliwo amaradio agamu osanga gayina abakozi tegasobola okubasasula. N'osanga bagenda mu field babuuza bano ababaweereza amawulire kubasasula n'osanga nti kataawo ow'amawulire tabeera professional.
Buli permanent secretary owa ministry eya ICT Amina Zawede yagira ngu Uganda Media Center erina omurimo muhango ogw'okureba ngu yaheerezayo amakuru ahamwe na n'enkora ezitari zimwe na zimwe omu miringo ya karimagezi okureba ngu omurimo gwatambura kurungi ahagati y'ebitongole bitari bimwe na bimwe bya government ahamwe na n'abantu.
The Uganda Media Center is the bridge between information technology and public engagement. And with your ambitious plans of realizing this, I am confident that we shall effectively and efficiently communicate for government with one voice.
Alani Kasuja obwahati ol executive director wa Uganda Media Center omu kugamba kwe yahiga government okureba ngu yayebembeza okureba ngu nehereza sente ziri kumara ahari Media Center okwena ngu babase kutungura omutindo ogwa Media Center na mnonga aha byombeko.
And my appeal to whoever is responsible for giving us money as the Media Center, let us stop playing games. We need money. And Madam PS, I appreciate you very much because you've been supportive and we've had these constant conversations. We don't want to be begging you for money. We need this money. We need the money so that we can do the work we're supposed to do.
Yagira ngu ofisi ye neija kutandikiraho kukora aho arabe nakwatagana n'abari kurira eby'empurizingana omu bitongole bitari bimwe na bimwe omuri gavumenti ahamwe n'ebitongole ebindi okwenda kuranga ngu habaho enkoragana nungi yabona.
Now, immediately we are going to convene stakeholder forums to reach out to people. We want to upskill government communication officers, and I'm glad that the permanent secretary is aligned on this one and is very supportive. Build structured partnerships with the private sector, and if you are in the private sector and you'd like to partner with the Media Center, you have an opportunity to join us at the beginning of a great thing, because later You know, we might not have time for you.
Gasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga ahabwa Tire West.
3 again, 2 1 yeah.